Taj, get a little Taj.
Yeah. Feelings so deep in the feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go down.
Ladies, can you back it up?
What's up, y'all? Just a little Jazz here, and today I'm going to show y'all how I achieved the LMA boot up bun. I really love this hairstyle. It's so cute, so extra, so girly, and I just really thought it was just like a cute hairstyle for me to try out. After I seen the video, even though the video came out like over the summer and stuff, when I seen the video, I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna do my hair like that. Never got around to it, so I'm getting around to it today. I wore it on Valentine's Day to work and stuff, so just showing y'all how I achieved this hairstyle. Very easy, very simple, and it looks like you try hard, but you really don't have to try hard with this hairstyle. So before I get into this video, hit that subscribe button down below. It's free. Let's get to it. What's up, y'all? Just a little Jazz here, and today I'm coming to y'all with a hair tutorial. So in the video before this, I showed y'all how I used the rice water. That was last week. So this week I washed my hair once again, and I deep conditioned it with the rice water and also the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey. I think it's Manuka Honey. Yeah, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey deep conditioner with a hair mask, and I put that together and I put it in my head. So that's week 2 of me using the rice water. So I will probably post an update on week 4 just to see if I got any results. So yeah, then my hair is freshly washed. It has air dried a little bit and stuff like that. As you can see, the rice water is making my hair like very shiny, and yeah, it's just looking like really good. So I'm going to I'm going to take my small tooth comb and I'm going to make 2 small parts in the back. I'm going to show you. It may not be as straight as you want it to do, but that would be just fine. Okay, so something like this, make sure it's like a little bit neater than mine, and if you can, just try to get somebody to do it for you. Since I don't have anybody right now, I'm just working with what I got. So just make a little part like this, and just have a little piece of hair out so you can braid it or either twist it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to twist my hair because I don't really know how to braid. So I'm just gonna put my hair up in a bun like that to get it out the way, and just spray this back piece with some water so it'll be a little easier to work with, and go through it with my detangler brush, and then just flip my head over and just start twisting. It's gonna be a flat twist, so just grab the hair and just twist up. And if you know how to braid, just braid it. And secure it with a rubber band. Okay, so now we're just gonna let that hang. And now get into the bun. So if y'all have watched like my high puff tutorial and stuff like that, you will see that I lay my edges the same way. I ran out of my EcoStyle Gel Gold, so I'm back to using the EcoStyle Olive Oil because that's what I just had laying around. So I'm gonna just place that just all around my edges just to get them to lay down and just have a nice sleek bun. So when you're putting your hair up in a bun, you want to go ahead and put up that braid into the bun also. So gather your hair all together. Just putting a little bit more gel in the back and just brushing it up a little bit just to make it a little bit more neater. And just secure the bun with a twist tie. So you want to finesse the bun however you like it, either to make it bigger, to make it smaller, to make it look more fuller. So I'm gonna make mine a little bigger and just make it look a little bit more fuller by just bringing some of those loose curls and just wrapping it around so it can be a little bit more neater. And just securing the flyaways with bobby pins. Okay, so now I'm gonna lay my edges with the Style Factor Edge Control, like how I always do. And like I tell y'all, please be careful with this edge control because it will turn your edges white if you use too much of it. So I'm just brush down my edges with my brush. And just apply a little bit of edge control to my edges. Make sure to like rub it all the way in. Now I'm gonna go in with my small tooth comb and just swoop my edges back. And this hairstyle is not hard at all, especially for me because like I'm no like braider or anything like that. Right, I'm a black girl that can't braid, but yeah, it was pretty easy, pretty simple, and just really cute, just to add a little bit more pizzazz to your high buns. So yeah, those are my edges. I'm going to spray a little bit of water on my bun. And now to the fun part. We're going to add some jewels. I got these from the beauty supply store. You can just get them at your local beauty supply store. And they were like $1.49, which I think is a little high for these little gold clamps, but yeah. So we're just gonna, I can turn around. We're just going to put the clamps on this braid, on this twist that's going up. So you want to start at the bottom. And just clamp however many you want to clamp on there. Okay, so in the video, Ella Mai, she also had some just spread it out within her bun. So we're gonna be like Ella Mai and put some within our bun too. So I'm just spreading it out a little bit just to make it look like I didn't try that hard. But and just, you know, don't make it look too uniform. You want to really like random, make them real random throughout your hair. And I don't know if I showed y'all how these work. Y'all probably already know. But they're just like this, and you just open them up like that and just put them on and close them again. Right here. And I just think this is a cute style just to add a little bit more extraness to your high bun, your curly buns and stuff. Also, I got so many compliments on this style when I wore it to work on Valentine's Day. So yeah, it's a really cute style. Ella Mai did her thing in that booed up video. After I've seen that video, I was just like, I'm gonna do my hair like that. I never got around to it until Valentine's Day, and yeah, so this is the look. It's so cute. Okay, so showed y'all my hair, showed y'all how to do it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you in my next one. Bye.
Ladies, can you back it up, can you back it up, can you back it up, back it up, can you back it up?
Hold up, listen to the heart.